So at IBC, we have seen how SpaceX has acquired a new licensing spectrum from EchoStar and for 17 billion, and we see how it's penetrating the telco market dramatically in a couple of years. So we see a lot of discussions that we did have in Mobile World Congress where direct-to-device was starting to be a threat. Now we have been in Athens in a regulatory meeting where this was again discussed and the news came out. So how these LEO systems can be better regulated, better monitored, and make sure that the critical infrastructure of the telcos remain there and protect the sovereignty of each country by regulating better those new constellations and aggressive business models that we are seeing first into the SATCOM and now into the cellular and direct-to-cell market. So telcos and regulators need to be cautious and invest into continue to be relevant for future times and not only trying to materialize what they have today. So the challenges that we see is that first, data, especially in satellite connectivity, has had a decline based on these new LEOs. More LEOs are coming, so such as Kuiper, and it seems also an opportunity for us. Perhaps is about the monitoring of these networks that brings let's say unify interface and processes in order to sell more, sell faster, and also get paid before and manage those networks automatically. But for the integrators and teleports or service providers might bring the possibility to bring different propositions of a service. Also to create a new ground lease for those gateways that needs to be in each country, and these constellations require larger number of gateways as the constellations grow. So we see how the teleport infrastructure is also hosting those gateways as a new kind of business model. So we are seeing both threat but also opportunities in both sense. So many times we try to focus on the opportunities where we monitor spectrum, we monitor our constellations, we make sure that those constellations are behaving well and in performance, but also we can help on the threat. That is by regulating better, by making sure that they don't output too much power or interfere to GEO or are following the ITU guidance. So in that regard, we have one of the best and first systems to regulate the GEO MEO LEO and be able to make sure that they comply with Article 21 and 22. And we are implemented across the world in certain countries that they are interested into monitoring and making sure that the spectrum is used wisely. We have found that multiple constellations without licensing to operate the country, they are transmitting in those countries, and that's a regulatory issue, and those regulators should be able and capable to regulate within their country and their frequencies.